Hi, this is Kennedy the Tech, and today we'll be looking at how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in the learning management system. So I would like to get your reviews and your comments after this video. I'm hoping that you are going to like it. So welcome very much. So let's dive in and let's learn. And don't forget to subscribe.
So I'm here in one of my courses and I'm going now to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting right here. And I'm going to right on and click add an activity. And then I'm going to schedule this meeting on a page resource here. Then I click add. And then once it is added, I'll give my page a name. Let me call it a live session or MS Teams Teams live session. That's the name of my page, and I'm gonna leave the description blank for now. But then on the page content here, on the page content, I'm gonna type join live session. All right. So I have some features here that I can be able to work on. I can be able to format my text. Maybe let it appear as medium. Yeah, it's a bit big. I can bold on it. I then have this arrow here, which when I click on it, it will be able to display other advanced buttons. So I can see the second row already displayed. So now I can underline that. So now I'll just press enter so that my link will be inserted in this area. So let me go to the Teams button on the far right, and I'll be able to click on it, and I'm clicking on it, and well, it's going to take a moment. Correct. The first step is to ask you to sign in, so you must ensure that you went through your signing in process very well and you are able to be sure that your KTTC email works, so you will not have any problems here. So for me, I have already signed in, so it will automatically sign me in. So I click in, sign in, and in a moment I'll be in, trying to sign you in, and there we are. Okay, it's trying to tell my email. That's my email, and then my password. Okay, and that should be fine. Stay signed in. I would love that. Good. So that is it. So already we are through the signing in. So what we need to do is to create a meeting link. So I'm creating the meeting link, and I need to give my meeting a title. So you can give your name a title, your meeting a title. Like I can have this one. I can say, well, let me say, let me call it. Uh, let me call it session one. Session one. Okay, you have to schedule the time and the date. So let me schedule it for maybe it is 31st October. So I'm going to have it for Monday instead of at time at 8 and 9 a.m. Right, and up to around up to around 10 a.m. Okay, so the next thing that I do is click on the create button. So the link will be created in a moment. Yes, so now you can add the link, but before that I need to go to the meeting options here, and once I click the meeting option, a new tab will be opened here. So I say meeting options, so that we can be able to decide who joins, who presents, and who bypasses my lobby. So it is opening in a moment. Okay, and then after it has done opening, what we will simply do is we will now be able to add the link into our LMS, and then we'll be fine to go. Okay, here it is. is opened. So who can bypass the lobby? Now, if you are in a forum where you have many users or many students and you don't want to have the pain of having to admit people every time they are coming in, you may just want to say everyone. But if you have everybody in the organization, you can just choose only the ones in your organizations to bypass your lobby. For me, I would like to go with everyone for now, and always let callers bypass the lobby. All right, you said yes. Announce when callers leave, or yeah, that's okay for me. Who can present? Now, this is what I want to change because as the teacher, I wouldn't want everybody to present, so I'll just say only me, and that is okay. Allow attendees to unmute, yeah, because we need to have response and interactions with our learners. So I'll click save, and yeah, we are done. So I'm going to close this tab and remain with my LMS. So the next thing is the link is already here, so I'm just going to click add the link, and here the link is, but then it is a bit junky, so we need to shape it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and then I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to insert a link on my text here during session. So I'm going to come directly to this button here, is the link button. So I click on it, then here under enter URL text box I paste the link that I just cut, and then I would want my link to open in a new window so that it does not take the student away from the LMS. That's a create link, and basically we are done. That is what we need to do. So I'll just say save and return to course. Alright, so already we are done. So this is it is here the page. So if I start clicking on that page right now, this is what will happen. I'll access this link as a student. I will click on it. You can see it has already opened in a new tab, so that I can always go back to my LMS. And then since I have got my Microsoft Teams application installed, it is going to launch the application. Yes, here it is. It has already opened. My Teams application has opened. And then now I'm going to click, you can see it is entitled session 1 up here. It is session 1. So I'm going to click join now. And basically it will take me into the meeting room. Here we are, and right on. So it is telling me waiting for others to join. Okay, so this is the team's meeting. Here we have the participants. If I click on participants, yeah, it opens the right side panel whereby I can see who enters. So as learners will access the LMS and click on that page, they will access the link, and once they click on that link, they will be put in this room. You have the option of muting and unmuting yourself, and then this button can allow you to share your content. Maybe you want to make a presentation as a trainer. You can also access the conversations of chats using this button here. So you can see on my right panel, the chat sessions are open. And then students can also have the options of raising or lowering their hand. So basically, that is how we schedule for Microsoft Teams meetings. So thank you very much.